Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Mitt, your go-to expert for all things gold investing. Today we're diving into a hot topic, the pros and cons of a gold IRA. So let's get started. First off, what is a gold IRA? A gold IRA is an individual retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold, silver, platinum, or palladium instead of traditional stocks and bonds. If you're interested in setting up a gold IRA, be sure to click the link in the description below to claim your free gold investing kit from our top-rated company, Goldco. Before we dive in, it's important to note that this video is for informational purposes only and shouldn't be considered financial advice. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Hedge against inflation. Gold has historically been a strong hedge against inflation. When the value of paper currency decreases, gold prices tend to rise. Diversification. Adding gold to your retirement portfolio can provide diversification, reducing risk by spreading investments across different asset classes. Protection against market volatility. Gold often performs well during economic downturns and market volatility, offering a level of stability to your portfolio. Tangible asset. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold is a physical asset you can hold, giving you a sense of security. Potential for high returns. Over the long term, gold has shown the potential for significant returns, especially during periods of economic uncertainty. Now let's discuss the cons. Storage and insurance costs. Storing physical gold requires secure storage and insurance, which can add to the overall cost. No passive income. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold does not pay dividends or interest, so you won't earn passive income from your investment. Higher fees. Gold IRAs often come with higher fees compared to traditional IRAs, including setup, storage, and management fees. Liquidity concerns. While gold is a liquid asset, converting physical gold into cash can take time, and you may not always get the market price. Want to learn more about gold IRAs? You can claim a free gold IRA kit from our top-rated company, Goldco, by clicking the link in the description below. So why should you consider a gold IRA? A gold IRA can be a valuable part of a diversified retirement strategy. It offers protection against inflation, economic uncertainty, and market volatility. If you're looking to safeguard your retirement savings and add a tangible asset to your portfolio, a gold IRA could be a smart choice. Setting up a gold IRA is simpler than you might think. Here's a quick guide. Choose a reputable custodian. Find a trustworthy custodian specializing in gold IRAs. They will help you set up and manage your account. Fund your account. You can fund your gold IRA through a rollover from an existing IRA or 401k, or by making a direct contribution. Select your precious metals. Decide on the type and amount of precious metals you want to invest in. Your custodian can guide you through this process. Storage arrangements. Arrange for secure storage with an approved depository. Your custodian will handle the logistics to ensure your gold is safely stored. Now, let's talk about why we recommend Goldco for your gold IRA needs. Goldco is a highly reputable company with a strong track record in the precious metals industry. They offer exceptional customer service. Goldco provides personalized service to help you every step of the way. Competitive pricing. They offer competitive pricing on gold and silver products, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Secure storage solutions. Goldco partners with trusted storage providers to ensure your precious metals are safely stored. Educational resources. They provide a wealth of educational resources to help you make informed investment decisions. With Goldco, you can confidently invest in gold and safeguard your retirement savings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gold investing tips. And if you're ready to explore a gold IRA, check out Goldco. The link is in the description below. Until next time, happy investing.